असम के मुख्यमंत्री हेमंत बिस्वा शर्मा दोनों राज्यों के बीच उलझे अंतर्राज्यीय सीमा विवाद के समाधान के लिए लंबे समय से लंबित मुख्यमंत्री स्तरीय वार्ता को फिर से शुरू करने के लिए राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री कोनराड के संगमा से मिलने आज यहां पहुंचे। शिलांग आने की पूर्व संध्या पर असम के मुख्यमंत्री शर्मा ने गुवाहाटी में मीडिया से कहा कि उनका मानना है कि मेघालय के साथ सीमा विवाद का जल्द से जल्द समाधान बातचीत के जरिए किया जाएगा। बैठक के बाद प्रेस को संबोधित करते हुए हेमंत ने कहा कि सीमा विवाद सुलझाने के लिए दोनों राज्य प्रतिबद्ध है और अगर जरूरत पड़ी तो हम दोनों मुख्यमंत्री उन 12 क्षेत्रों का संयुक्त रूप से दौरा करेंगे जिन पर विवाद है।
We have decided that all these 12 sites will be discussed one by one, and relevant merits and demerits of claims and counterclaims will be discussed, and then whenever and in the places we see that it is really easy to resolve those disputes, we'll start resolving. So it may not be possible to resolve the entire dispute at a time, but definitely we can start from some point, and one by one we keep on resolving this dispute. Today's discussion was very, very fruitful. We appreciate each other's positions, and we also come to a common understanding that now we need to travel beyond status quo. Whenever both the chief minister met earlier, after the meeting we used to give a joint statement that both the state has agreed to maintain the status quo. This time we are not going to maintain that. What we are going to say to the people of Meghalaya and people of Assam, that we are firm and we are committed to resolve this dispute. So I have invited Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sri Conrad Sangma, to visit Guwahati on 6th to start the second round of discussion, if we say that today is the first round of discussion. And then, if necessary, we will go to the all 12 sites together. Both the Chief Minister will, if necessary, will go to all the 12 sites to appreciate each other's position. And by the grace of God and by the grace of, the blessings of both the state, people of Assam and people of Meghalaya, I am convinced that we will be able to resolve this dispute. Thank you very much.